Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be unboxing my Louis Vuitton that I bought for myself for Christmas, and also these earrings. And so if you're interested, just keep watching. So these are the earrings that I bought, and I really did like the stones in the front. I got these from Zell's, and I've been wanting some earrings like this for a while. I just hadn't bought any, and I've seen a lot of people get these for Christmas. Maybe it's another trend thing, I don't know, but I really do like these, and these were definitely on my wish list. So here is my Louis Vuitton bag. As you can see, it's huge. I really wanted the holiday bag, and so I'm glad that I was able to get that. And when we went into Louis Vuitton the first time, because we went into 2 Louis Vuittons, and the first one that we went into, I saw this bag and I wanted it, but my husband convinced me not to get it because it is a lot like my Neverfull. And so I said, okay, I'm not gonna get it. But there were only 2 left at the Louis Vuitton that I went to, and these bags are in high demand, like it's hard to find them. And so when I saw it in store, I thought, wow, I know people are having trouble finding this bag, and I really wanted it, but again, like I said, my husband talked me out of it. And then we went to the different Louis Vuitton, and I was looking at the keep all, because that is the next purchase that I really wanted to make, was the keep all. And I was looking at them, and then I just asked the salesperson if they had this bag, and they went to the back to check, and sure enough, they had it. So this is the box that it came in, and so let me go ahead and open it up. So here it is in the dust bag. These dust bags are so big. And so here is the bag. It is the On-the-Go Louis Vuitton Tote. And I really liked the bag when I saw it, and I thought it was so pretty. What I like most about it is the long handles. Like, Louis Vuitton is not known for such long handles, but this new collection that they came out with, it has the longer handles. It's the reverse giant monogram on this side, and then the giant regular monogram on this side, and then it also has the regular handles like the Neverfull, and then it has the regular monogram pattern here and the reverse pattern here. And this bag made more sense to me in the aspect that it has the longer handles, because for me, my Neverfull, it has these shorter handles. In fact, I have my Neverfull here, and the handles are quite a bit longer on this bag. And as you can see, the length is longer. As far as the width is about the same. Let me see, how can I show this? Okay, like that. And so, as I mentioned, because I have the Neverfull, my husband thought, well, why do you need the On-the-Go? But what really sold me were the handles. So as you can see, the handles are very long. With my Neverfull, I always felt like it was just right there, right under my shoulder. And the On-the-Go hangs significantly lower. And so it has a pocket on the inside, and then it also has two other pockets here. So here's the Louis Vuitton booklet, and it has two pockets in here, and then the zip pocket here. Now I'm gonna see if I can, bought it from Louis Vuitton, but I'm still gonna see if I can look up the date code, which is in the pocket there. And it says SD 4199. And this bag was made in Paris. And so, as you can see, I'm going to look up the numbers here, and they match up. And I got it from Louis Vuitton, but I still like to check. And then on the very bottom, it marries the two canvases, and the symmetry is right on point. I like the detail that they put here on the edge. But this bag I really liked also because I don't have to worry about the vachetta in it. With my Neverfull, it has a slight tan to it. In fact, it has a little discoloration there, and I really don't like the vachetta, if I'm being honest. I mean, it's hard to take care of, and over time it's gonna get that really dark color. But my Neverfull is just about, it's almost new, and I only use it to travel. But what I wanted to see is if my organizer that I have in my Neverfull, which is this one, would fit in my On The Go. And I believe this is the large one. And sure enough, it does. It does fit in there. The only thing is, of course, it's not the right color, and I would want it to be taller just to protect the canvas. But I'm really surprised that that fit in there as well as it did. So that leads me to believe that the space in the On The Go tote is the circumference of the Neverfull. I have seen organizers on Amazon for the On The Go tote, and I definitely would want to get it for the On The Go tote, just for the simple fact that the color doesn't match. And so I am so happy with this purse. And you can also clip it like you can the Neverfull here on the top. And you know, I think it would have been nice if they would have put some studs on the bottom, just so that you could set it down and it could be protected on the bottom. I really like the reverse canvas on that side of the tote, and the regular monogram on the reverse side. And the handles are the same way. They have the regular monogram with the reverse canvas, and then the reverse canvas with the regular monogram canvas. And so I had wanted the giant size canvas for a while, but I wanted to find a perfect piece for me, and I really do like this On The Go tote. Like I said, what sold it for me were the handles. Now these handles are sewn on the inside, because I know I talked about the handles in my other Louis Vuitton video, and so these do hinge here in the inside. And so just to give you some more specifications, the On The Go tote retails for $2,480, and it's the On-the-Go GM, and it is 16.14 length, 13.39 height, and 7.4 inches in width. And as I talked about, it's the monogram and the reverse monogram. It has the microfiber lining inside. It has the gold tone hardware. It has 2 Toron handles, and then it has 2 long strap handles that are 11 inches for the shoulder carry. It has flat zipped inside pocket and double inside pockets. They are made in the USA, France, or Spain. So of course Paris is in France. So that's where mine came from. And so, as I mentioned, I really don't know what this color is, and it doesn't say on the website, but it looks like, I thought it was a red. In talking to Louis Vuitton, they said that it is a cherry red. So yeah, that is what I purchased for Christmas for myself, and also my earrings. And so those were the 2 big purchases that I made. And I'm really happy with this purse, and I'm really glad that I found it, because they are not available in every store right now. They're kind of on high demand. And so when I found it at the first Louis Vuitton, and my husband told me that it seemed a lot like my Neverfull, and that it seemed like I was getting the same bag, I honestly agreed with him. I thought, yeah, the Neverfull and the On-the-Go Tote are very similar in size, but this one obviously is taller, and the handles just sold it for me. I don't know if I'm gonna get rid of my Neverfull. I want to, only because I don't see myself using it anymore. I feel like this one's gonna take the place of it. I'm really happy with this one, and I could see myself just getting rid of the Neverfull. And it's pretty heavy. The On-the-Go Tote is fairly heavy, and it's, I would say it's heavier than my Neverfull, and this has the organizer inside, and this doesn't have anything, so that the leather is pretty heavy. So that is what I bought from Louis Vuitton. So thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.